Elephants communicate through a variety of vocalizations. These vocalizations include trumpets, which are high-frequency calls. Elephants also use rumbles, which are low-frequency infrasonic sounds. Trumpets and rumbles serve different purposes within elephant social interactions. These vocalizations are essential for maintaining social cohesion and conveying information. Scientists use sound spectrographs to record and analyze elephant vocalizations. Sound spectrographs visually represent sound frequencies and amplitudes over time. Analysis of vocalization patterns helps identify meanings within elephant calls. Sophisticated equipment allows for detailed examination of the acoustic structure of elephant communication. Identifying patterns in elephant calls reveals insights into their social behavior and communication. Elephants communicate over long distances using infrasound, which are low-frequency vibrations. Infrasound vibrations travel through the ground, enabling communication even when elephants are far apart. This form of communication allows elephants to maintain social connections across vast territories. The low frequency of infrasound allows it to travel farther than higher frequency sounds, which dissipate more quickly. Elephants' feet and bodies are sensitive to these vibrations, allowing them to both send and receive infrasound signals. Infrasound communication is crucial for coordinating group movements, warning of danger, and maintaining social cohesion within elephant populations. Elephant feet possess soft pads that function as sensory receptors. These sensory receptors enable elephants to detect infrasound vibrations in the ground. The detection of infrasound vibrations allows elephants to hear with their feet. This sensory ability aids in communication and navigation across long distances. The unique structure of elephant feet provides a vital sensory input mechanism. Researchers analyze recorded elephant sounds to uncover communication patterns. Specific rumble structures in elephant vocalizations resemble words in a sentence. These structured rumbles convey different meanings depending on their arrangement and components. The discovery reveals a complex communication system among elephants, analogous to human language. Elephants communicate using specific rumbles to convey instructions or warnings. Different rumbles carry distinct meanings, such as, "Let's move." Other rumbles may warn of danger, such as lions nearby. Elephant communication demonstrates complexity through varied vocalizations. The ability to convey specific messages enhances group coordination and survival. Playback experiments involve playing recorded calls of specific elephants. These experiments aim to determine if individual elephants respond uniquely to their own names. Unique responses suggest that elephants can differentiate and recognize their individualized calls. The experiment setup includes recording elephant vocalizations and playing them back through calibrated speakers. Researchers analyze behavioral responses, such as changes in movement, vocalization, or grouping. Data from these experiments contribute to understanding elephant communication and social structure. Elephants exhibit individual responses to specific calls, suggesting the use of personalized identifiers. Playback of a particular elephant's call elicits a response only from that specific individual. This selective response indicates that elephants may utilize name-like vocalizations for individual recognition. The concept of elephants using names implies a sophisticated level of social communication and individual awareness. Further research is needed to fully understand the nuances and complexities of elephant vocal communication and individual naming conventions. Elephant communication exhibits a level of complexity comparable to human language development. The complexity of elephant communication lies between learning a new language and writing poetry in human terms. Comparative linguistics reveals parallels in structural complexity between elephant calls and human linguistic structures. Analyzing elephant communication provides insights into the evolution and diversity of complex communication systems. Elephant vocalizations convey emotional content through variations in acoustic waveforms. The same word can carry different meanings based on the context of the elephant call. Variations in frequency modulation within the call indicate urgency levels. Amplitude modulation correlates with the emotional intensity of the vocalization. Temporal patterns within the call provide additional layers of emotional information. Comparative analysis of waveforms reveals subtle differences in emotional expression. Elephants exhibit mourning behaviors upon the death of a herd member. Mourning elephants make long, deep calls. Elephants stand silently by the body of the deceased. Elephants gently touch the body with their trunks. These behaviors are indicative of complex emotional and social bonds within the elephant herd. Such mourning rituals highlight elephants' capacity for grief and empathy. Artificial intelligence analyzes extensive data sets of elephant calls. AI matches specific elephant call sounds with observed behaviors. This matching process decodes the meanings of elephant calls more efficiently. AI-driven analysis enhances the efficiency of decoding elephant communication. Elephants demonstrate recognition of specific calls, akin to names, within their social groups. Playback of an elephant's name elicits a response, indicating understanding of the call's significance. Upon hearing their name, elephants tend to approach the source of the call. This behavior suggests a sophisticated level of communication and social awareness in elephants. Scientists utilize playback experiments to study elephant communication and social structures. Understanding elephant communication provides insights into their complex social dynamics and conservation needs. The potential misuse of elephant language knowledge by poachers raises ethical concerns. Wildlife traffickers could exploit elephant communication to locate and target vulnerable populations. Elephant safety and protection are compromised by the possible abuse of linguistic data. Ethical considerations are paramount in safeguarding elephants against exploitation through language knowledge. Research data on elephant communication is kept confidential to prevent exploitation by poachers. Secrecy surrounding elephant communication patterns helps protect elephants from illegal poaching activities. Poachers could potentially use knowledge of elephant communication to track and hunt elephants more effectively. Protecting research findings is a crucial security measure in anti-poaching efforts. Confidentiality ensures that sensitive information does not fall into the wrong hands, safeguarding elephant populations. By limiting access to research data, anti-poaching patrols aim to minimize the risk of illegal hunting. A scientist returns to Africa after many years, seeking to reconnect with her past. The scientist uses a specific greeting rumble, a vocalization unique to a particular elephant matriarch. The matriarch recognizes the scientist's greeting, demonstrating long-term auditory memory. The matriarch responds with a matching rumble, confirming recognition after many years. Animal communication studies reveal behavioral similarities between animals and humans. These similarities suggest shared evolutionary origins of certain behaviors. Comparative analysis blurs the perceived lines separating animal and human behavior. Studying animal communication provides insights into the biological basis of behavior across species. Insights into elephant communication systems may provide a framework for understanding communication in other animal species. Comparative analysis of communication methods across diverse species can reveal common underlying principles. Decoding complex animal communication could unlock new understandings of social structures and environmental adaptations. Studying animal communication networks may offer insights into the evolution of language and cognitive abilities. Advanced bioacoustic analysis tools are crucial for deciphering the nuances of interspecies communication. Scientists monitor elephant calls to understand communication about environmental conditions. Acoustic monitoring helps determine if elephants are communicating urgent messages. Elephant calls may indicate threats or changes in their environment. Real-time analysis of elephant calls provides insights into their behavior and well-being. Acoustic monitoring stations facilitate the study of elephant communication patterns. Analyzing elephant vocalizations aids in conservation efforts and habitat protection. Elephant communication exhibits complexity comparable to the intricacies of human language learning. The sophisticated communication methods employed by elephants indicate advanced cognitive abilities. Elephant vocalizations, infrasound, and tactile cues form a multifaceted communication system. Learning human languages and understanding elephant communication both require complex cognitive processing. The capacity for nuanced communication suggests a high level of social intelligence in elephants. Studying elephant communication provides insights into the evolution of language and cognitive complexity in mammals. Computer simulations are utilized to predict elephant behavior. These simulations are based on elephant communication patterns. Predictive modeling of elephant behavior aids in conservation efforts. Scientists analyze communication patterns to forecast elephant movements and social interactions. Elephant communication studies provide insights into their social behavior and needs. Understanding elephant communication aids in developing effective conservation strategies. Analyzing vocalizations, body language, and infrasound reveals complex communication patterns. Identifying key communication signals helps mitigate human-elephant conflict. Research findings contribute to creating safer environments for elephant populations. Effective conservation strategies rely on data-driven insights from elephant communication research. Visual representations of elephant call patterns reveal subtle variations. These variations convey complex information about elephant communication. Data visualization techniques are used to analyze and interpret elephant vocalizations. Call patterns can be visually categorized based on acoustic properties. Visualizing call patterns aids in understanding the nuances of elephant social behavior. Ethical guidelines are developed to ensure responsible conduct in elephant communication research. The primary goal of ethical review is to prevent harm to elephants during communication studies. Regular reviews of ethical protocols ensure they remain effective and relevant to current research practices. Adherence to ethical standards promotes the well-being and natural behavior of elephants in research settings. Continuous observation of elephant behavior is crucial for understanding their communication methods. Studying elephant behavior provides insights into their complex social dynamics and hierarchical structures. Detailed recording of elephant interactions allows for the analysis of behavioral patterns and social signals. Analyzing elephant vocalizations reveals a range of communicative signals, from warnings to social bonding calls. Observing physical interactions, such as touching and mutual grooming, illustrates the importance of tactile communication. Long-term behavioral studies are essential for conservation efforts and understanding the impact of environmental changes on elephant populations.